what we are starting with. I need to take these off. There wasn't any lifting, so hopefully I can just drill them down and then fill in the growth with some builder gel, because I really do not want to do a full soak off a new set. So we'll see. I'm going to start by drilling them down and see how they're looking. Okay, we got all the polish off. Now I'm going to shape all of the nails. I'm probably going to take them down just a little bit. I'm using C&D Plexi Gel. I have the bonder and I have the builder. I'm going to start with doing the bonder on each nail and then we'll get to the builder. We are ready for polish now. Okay, these are the ones that I'm looking at. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna start with this color as a base on all of them, and then I'll go in with the cat eye on top of it. We got one coat. Okay, it is way later, but I finally did finish them. So these are what they're looking like. You can see that in the cat eye effect, hopefully. I'll take better clips and insert those as well, but they turned out pretty cute. Thanks for watching. I don't know what I'll be doing next, but I'm sure it'll be something fun, so stay tuned.